If you've got two sidewalls on your Black Wolf turbo tent and a gap down the middle, you need a set of these guys. They're going to close that gap. They're called the sidewall joiner kits, and I'm going to tell you all about them. Let's check them out.
Hit it.
Hey folks, Ben from Snowy's here today down by the creek at the Brownhill Creek Caravan Park. It's a quiet little caravan park or tourist park that's a great stopover for a weekend getaway or a great place to base yourself if you're just holidaying in the area. We've got some space out down here today to show you some Black Wolf Turbo accessories, and I've got with me here in my hand the Black Wolf Turbo side panel joiner kit. You can use this guy to join this gap here between any two side panels. In this instance, I've got a side panel on a Extenda awning and a side panel on an actual turbo tent here. This could also be that we've got two turbo tents front to front. We've got two side panels. We want to seal this gap here to stop draft and water from coming in. This is what you're after. They're nice and lightweight. They're probably only about half a kilo. There's two in each packet. They're made of just a polyester material. That's all that comes with it, just two strips of material. Velcro strip down each side, and they just marry up to the strips on here. Now before I go any further, I will mention that with this Extenda awning here, I have added an extra pole in. This does work best with two sidewalls if we've got this extra pole. The Extenda awning traditionally just works by using the existing pole on the turbo tent. This gives it more stability and allows this to attach easier. Now, the right way up for these is to have this section here with a little gap at the top that goes either side of the awning. At the very top here, it's a bit hard to see, but we tuck this up underneath here to the point that we get this gap up underneath where the water might get in. Stick it on, do one side first, work our way all the way down to stick this on to the bottom, don't leave any gaps. Then we do the same thing on the other side. Now it can be a little bit of a stretch. You might need to sort of pinch the poles together, especially at the top. Work our way down. Make sure that Velcro's attached properly. And it is as simple as that. We've now sealed up the gap between this sidewall and this sidewall. Now in this instance, I've got two Canvas Deluxe sidewalls. It could be just a standard Lite sidewall. Any two sidewalls, this will join together down the middle here. So it's a really simple solution. You can do the same thing on the other side if you've got two more sidewalls as well. All comes as one kit. You can grab them online at snowys.com.au at our lowest price every day. If you thought that video was useful, subscribe to our channel. We'll send you all of our latest information. Got any questions, let us know down in the comments below, or check out some other turbo videos like this one down here.